Yo, good morning, everyone. Let's get it. We got New York session here on Tuesday. Let's see what we got here for news today. So today we have a Italian bank holiday, which doesn't matter, and then no red folders, nothing. We got Trump speaking at 8. So if you guys trade late, there might be some volume during late NY session here today. But there's no news in the way today, so no worries about any crazy spikes here today. So that's nice. We got clean price for today. So let's take a look at the daily time frame here and then see what we got going on. So on the daily, we got this green bullish candle here, right? Strong bullish as well. We ended up closing above this resistance on the left. And I mean, if you look at it now, since we closed above here, we got room to come up and fill and get to this resistance on the daily time frame and possibly break the all-time highs here. If we look at the 4-hour candle here, we got a bearish candle closure, a strong one too, after a while, after being pretty bullish on the 4-hour here. And it ended up closing below this support as well, or resistance. So I mean, the 4-hour looks good to come down, right? We have small bottom wick. We created a nice top wick. So there is a possibility for us to come down on this 4-hour candle. But we have to keep in mind that the higher time frames are more bullish. So I think today is a good day to look for both buys and sells. So if we see one or the other, we'll be taking those. 1 hour, we're in a chop right now. We closed doji. It's kind of indecisive. It doesn't know where to go, which makes sense because the higher time frames are both bullish and bearish, So gold is kind of indecisive right now. So we're gonna wait until gold decides which direction it wants to go, and then we follow, right? So 30-minute candle. We get some more supports and resistances here to see. So I think if we get a closure above here, we got some nice buys, at least up to this resistance, and then this resistance could be used as an advantage point, as a break even, maybe TP, and then continue up for there. And then for sales, I think if we go down to the 15-minute time frame, we got some nice supports that if we close below here, the sales are looking pretty nice. So let's mark these up here and buys above. And here we'll have some sells below. So yeah, if we get closures above here on the 30, potentially also the 15 here, buys are looking decent, and then closures below here, sells are looking good. We have in 5 minutes a 15-minute candle closure, which could actually be pretty nice because that's the comics open 5 minutes after that. So we could use some that advantage of comics open to give us some volume here. So let's see, we looking like we're pushing up here, so we get this closure above. I'm not gonna say no to these buys here. I think they're looking pretty nice if we do get this closure above. We got some resistances over here, some chop over here, so be aware. Maybe risk less on this trade, but we have some nice ranges to fill. I think we can continue up here today. The only cautious is the 4-hour here with the small top, small bottom wick that we could break and come down. So just be aware of that if you take any buys here today. But yeah, closure above here looks nice. Closure below, also very nice. What about you, Cypher? What do you think? Do you think you got some other ranges or something you want to add in?
Yo, uh, let's see. Let me get my sound. Yeah. So the thing. Oh, damn. We are pushing. Nah. So what I'm seeing on the 4-hour, it looks like we might get a wick fill. before actually trying to come back down, you know, because if you look at the 4 hour, we're close below the support and all that to the left. So we might actually come down after trying to fill the wicks. So let's see what this 15 is gonna do. I'm down to take buys. I have the same range as you. So closure below, yeah, sells, closer above, buys. Depends on what this 15 decides to do right now.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's pretty much a decent plan. Perfect, I believe. I believe we have price surrounded. Yeah. Nothing else to add, pretty much.
Yeah, I mean, we're coming up here now, so let's see if we can get something here potentially. It would be nice if we close above that resistance at the top, but if we close like this right here, that's gonna be perfect too. If not, if we close in the middle of the range, we'll have to wait.
Yeah. So I don't want it to close too far away from our range.
Yeah, exactly.
If we close like this, it's kind of decent because then we also have this wick to fill, which is a great place to go break even and all that. So but we can't just close like this. This is too bad, but yeah, a little bit stronger and we should be fine. We can maybe execute on the next candle, top wick. Fill the wick. Aim for maybe the 4 hour top wick, which is the wicks, you know, above this range. If we actually break above these top wicks and break through them, we might even see a strong push up, because I mean, daily, 4 hour, weekly, we are so bullish right now.
Yeah, so anything in this red area right here, nothing. So any closures inside this red area, I'm not gonna take anything, I'm just gonna wait. Closures above looks good in 1 minute here, closures below as well, so just gotta wait. I mean, 30-minute did break previous highs as well off the previous 30 candle.
Yeah.
So we could get something here.
Yeah, as long as we close pretty strong bullish, I'm down. I'm very down to take these buys. We're a little bit stronger than this though. Otherwise, it might just be the fake out for us to close bearish on the 30 to calm down, but that's not bad at all.
So yeah, if we close weak, if we close like this, I'm not taking it. We have to close a little bit stronger than this, and if we do close, I'm just gonna take it on the combine here. Let's see, we got 6 seconds. And yeah, nothing. This is like not good enough for me.
Nah, this is more like
a
doji candle.
Yeah, and it's also more like, not doji, but it just closed just above it, and I don't like that. I prefer to wait here. It's fine for me. Plus, we're coming up with no bottom wick, so nothing we can do about that either. So let's just wait. I think gold still, I mean, the best time for us to take a trade is an hour from now, so as long as we wait, and we could potentially get an even better setup here at 9:30, 9:15, and if we get a setup like that, that's going to be way better.
Yeah, and also if you look at the 1 hour, we already tapped target pretty much. So the only thing we have to bank on is us coming up to fill the wicks. And in that case, I really need a breakout above on the 1 hour. 1 hour looking very bad for a buy anyway. So
yo, AB, Legrand, Chala, welcome.
Let's go.
W's. I look different. I don't know. Maybe it's all the training. Whoa, look at gold too, man.
Yo, AB, say hey to the boys from me, boy. I miss you guys.
And AB, man, I wish you guys good luck with the stream, and let's do a collab someday too.
Let's go. Yeah, I can see all the boys in the group chat right now. It's AB Mike, Janusz, George, Aaron, Louis G, Yellow Trader. Let's go, all the big hitters. Let's go, the ballers.
Yeah, man. Good. Look at gold here, man. Just moving up. I think closures above here too. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Let's try and take a look here to the left. Okay. Got some
AB
stuff
Mike,
here.
the big G.
Yeah, we got some resistances here as well, but
The Grand. Chala. Let's go.
I think this 4-hour candle might not want to come down anymore because it's just pushing up here, and I believe if we do, like, I think this 4-hour is trying to create a support now, right? So we came down here, we didn't even close below this little fellow support down here, right? So we're still in this bullish trend. So if we do end up closing above here with this 4-hour, I do see us moving up here for the rest of the day.
Yeah, I wanna see how we react to these 4-hour top wicks first. I mean, we might just come up to fill the wicks and then maybe come back down, but let's see what happens. Let's see if we close above everything on the smaller time frames and all that. I'm 100% down to take some buys. We're so bullish, but let's see how we react.
We're tapping into the zone here too, so
yeah,
this is I believe if we do push through here, we're gonna probably continue up, but if we reject, we might be able to see some sales. So 11 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. If we're closing in here, probably gonna wait for some time. So now what I'll do is this buys above here is done for now. And now we're gonna look for buys above here. There. Buys above. There you go.
Now 4-hour tried to fill the wicks. We didn't really come up yet. Let's see what happens. We have comics open in 1 minute. We might just push through everything.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see what the volume will bring.
Yeah, otherwise if the 30 can come down and close below 72, it still looks amazing to come down. Let's see what happens. 30 seconds.
Yeah, the 15 got no bottom wick. It tapped our resistance. I mean, we're just ranging here. I think this range right here is a good range to stay out of now. This range right here is like, just stay out of this. Let me make it red.
Bro, we have so much snow here right now. It's hard to even walk outside. It's crazy. Crazy! Living in the Nordics. Nordics. Alf stacks.
Yeah, there we go. The volume is pushing us down here. Look at that.
What trades have we been taking today, boy? Brother. Should we tell them about the loss we took?
Yeah, we took a small loss here. I took it on just a combine because it was a more riskier trade. It was just 15 resistance here. I took a sell on the break of the lows. It came down a little bit. I'll show you guys here. Like so.
Yeah, the first red candle of the 15.
So it came down. I was targeting 31 pips here to pass the account. It came down a little bit, came back up, stopped us out. Choppy range, came back down. So it was a nice 15 onion here for me, but it was also a little bit early. It was probably better to wait. That's why I only took it on one of the 50K combines. So went full risk on that. But I still have one 50K combine here and then the 150K to take a better setup. So let's see. We got some volume here. I think a sell below would be beautiful as well. But I'm not gonna take a trade here for 8:45 if we don't get a closure below with this 30-minute. I don't like taking trades around 8:45 because the back testing for me is just usually losses around that time.
I took the sells, but I just lost around a very small amount. So it's
it was a more riskier trade. So we always, what I like to do is adjust the amount that I risk and the accounts that I risk. So like on my XFA, I only take the best setups, and then from there I then manage how much I would risk on that setup with the XFA. If it's a setup that is very like mediocre or like I'm very hesitant on taking it, I might just take it on the combines because I'm okay with losing a combine than losing capital on the XFA. So
yeah,
that was one of those trades here where I was kind of hesitant, so I only took it on the combine.
11:15 breakout buy. No.
11:15.
That's the. Wait, I don't know where. Ah, yeah, that one. I was looking at it. Or what time? 11:15.
I didn't like this because we were below here. So let me show you. We're below these supports, right? So as long as we're below here, I didn't like any of the buys. Also, plus the 4-hour ended up closing strong bearish. So buys were not looking good at the time. You know what I mean? The 4-hour closed like this. So as long as we were below this range here, as long as we were below here, I wouldn't take any buys. Potentially this candle. Oh, maybe this is the one he's talking about. Maybe I'm an hour ahead of you. This 12:15. These buys were pretty nice, but I wasn't at the charts at this time. But
we was at the charts, but the thing is, we didn't get the bottom wick that we wanted.
The bottom wick. That was the one. That was the trade.
Yeah, that was the best trade of the day, but we didn't take it because of the small bottom wick. So I was 100% gonna take it with like full margin, almost. I really liked it, but it never played out as I wanted it to do with the bottom wick and all that.
Yeah, but let's see. We might get an opportunity here, or I might get one for me here in 5 minutes if we get this closure below, because then we can come back down.
Yeah, so I'm 100% down taking these sells if we break below now closure.
Yeah, we have nice range.
Yeah, these are the sales we've been looking for, so just give us a good top wick, and I'm gonna go in with like 2 contracts. Let's see. Yes. Let's see. Oh, we have volume.
Yeah, we got that last minute volume here. Let's see if we can respect this previous low. That would be nice, because if we break this previous low, we might just bleed now.
Yeah, so just hold up, Goldie. Wait for us.
Hold it. Respect it. Respect the smear.
Then we have around 120 pips down to full TP for me. Depends on where you want to take the profits. I'm gonna aim for 56, 57, somewhere around there.
Yeah, I mean, for me, I'm gonna take it on the combine and the XFA here. If we do get this closure, combine, I'll just be targeting to pass the account, which will be 31 pips, and then XFA, I think if we close like this, if we don't break the lows again, this would be a nice area to close partials right here.
Yeah,
around
exactly.
63.
Exactly. So I'm
Can we come back? Can we pull back? I mean, I'm okay with us having a steep wick as long as the body closes a little bit more up. If we continue to push down here, then we just gotta wait.
I'm still down to take the sells. It just like, I mean, depends how far down we go. So if we close below 68.5, it's still fine because then we are below the support to the left also, which is pretty great.
See, I like this pullback here. If we can pull back and close like this is fine. As long as the body doesn't close too far down, I'm happy to take this trade.
Yeah. So my break-even spot is gonna be at 65.
Yeah.
Around 65.
Legrand only need $400 for his first payout of the year. Let's get it, man.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about. Already. Bro, this year is gonna be amazing for all of us, man. I'm telling you. This year is gonna be crazy. We've been following this strategy. I've been following this for 2 years. It's almost gonna be 3 years now. And I just know this year is gonna be fantastic, man. We're gonna get payouts after payouts here.
Yeah. I mean, if you trade Top Step every 5 days, you can take a payout if you do it right. So payouts every week if we want, if we really, really want.
So yeah, if we do get this closure here and we close near this support, I think I would like to see a bottom wick on the next candle come down first, and then we come up, create this top wick, and then sells on the current low.
Yeah. 100%. Let's see, 2 minutes.
Yeah, Legrand, keep us updated with top one and how everything does.
Yeah, so after 3 payouts with top one, you are gonna be sent to a live account. I got sent to a live account after my 3rd payout, but I never received a live account, so I don't know what top one is doing. So I just moved on to Top Step after that.
I mean, for me, Top Step is the most, like, they've been there since they're one of the first futures prop firms to be there. You know what I mean? They've been there for a long time now, so I trust them. I've taken multiple payouts with Top Step, and they're quick. You know what I mean? It's like you request it today, you get it tomorrow. So it's pretty nice.
Yeah, Tradify, I have to look into it, but is that a prop firm also? Like a futures prop firm, or because Top Step is the way to go for me right now?
Yeah, Legrand, the instant funded is a very nice touch that top one has, though. That Top Step never made. That's the good thing about Top Step. You know what I mean? They have that instant funded. But the way I trade with the challenges, it's like for me, it's like I pass them pretty quickly to where I get the account within 2 days usually. Like I bought this 50K yesterday. I'm halfway past, and if we can get this set up here, I might be able to pass it. Or I might blow it, which is also okay for me.
So Italy has this town with like 100 swastika houses.
Oh?
So if you look from the upside, you see like 100 swastikas, bro, in Italy. What's that?
So let's see on this thing. We close below. It's okay here. If we can get a better top wick here, I will like it.
Yeah, I really
better top wick.
Better top wick.
Another break of those highs, and I'm gonna have it on previous lows since we're already getting close to it.
Yeah. Let's see.
It's also the 30-minute closure, so we don't want to get in too early here. We would like for a steeper top wick on this.
So yeah, just break the highs once again, and I'm having a sell stop.
Yeah, one break of the high and then sell stop. Let's see. The stops are gonna be, I think if we have them back in the range, 55 pips. Pretty good. That would be like 2 GCs on the 150K.
So what is Tradify?
I think it's a prop firm. Tradify for the daily payouts for daily wages.
Yeah, so daily payouts, that gotta be a live account, right? Oh!
And it broke the lows. But look, this is why we wait for this top wick here, because it broke the lows, pushed down, and now we didn't, continue here. So let's see. We might break the highs now.
Yeah. I mean, we're still good to sell, but the thing is now we have pretty much. Yes.
Yeah, I mean we're too far down now. I'm not gonna take this anymore. I'm gonna wait now because we broke the lows, and it's okay. We have plenty of time. The New York session isn't even in its prime yet. We still got a lot of time left. I'm still waiting for 9:30. So if we can get a better setup for 9:30, that's gonna be way better than this little setup that we had here.
Yeah.
So yeah, no trade now. Gotta wait. We broke the lows, came back up, nothing yet. So now I'm just gonna wait here. I think what we could look for now is either another green candle and a closure below to continue the sales, or we come back up and close above here. Something of that sort. But right now I don't see anything as of right now. All right, AB, let's take a look real quick. Tradeify. Let's see.
So, is Tradeify futures or forex?
Futures.
Futures, nice.
All right, 30% off. Daily payouts, 5-day payouts.
So this is why we wait for a top wick. Look, we broke the lows and now we're pushing up.
So like, if I would have taken that without that top wick, I would have been stopped out there. So
yeah, exactly.
Okay, let's see here. Select 50K, 111 per month. Profit target 2.5. Trading drawdown.
It's nothing.
Consistency is 40% though. That's reset fee 95. Okay, so you get a discount for resetting. Activation fee none for my contracts. And then once you get funded, you can choose one of two paths. You can get daily payout, but the max payout is 1K. Consistency none. Daily loss limit 1K. Max drawdown 2K. And then there's the 5-day payout 3K max. Consistency none. And that's the select. Is that the one you were going with, the select one, AB? I'm in the daily one. Yeah, the select plan. Alright. I mean, I'll definitely take a look at this. Growth. No activation fee again. So yeah, the only thing I could see, like, with the daily, the only thing you have is the 1K daily loss limit that could hinder, but I think it shouldn't be that big of a problem. How's it been for you, AB? Have you been taking out some good payouts with them? Daily payouts. Is there like a rule to what you have to achieve on the day, or can you just take out a payout? Like, let's say you make $100, you can take out those 100, or how does it work? Is there like also when you take out money, can you only take out half or what? You're on a daily payout streak. Let's go. Yeah, I'll take a look at them because they're around the same price as Top Step as well. 150K is 251 per month, and then there's the instant funding. One hour payouts.
1 hour payouts, what?
Pass your evaluation in 3. Oh yeah, so 3 days to pass. No consistency in sim funded. No evaluation. Start earning payouts.
Dang.
4 payouts in your life. So if you do the daily payouts, if you take 4 payouts on the daily, do you just get live there, or is that only for the 5-day one? Okay, so you need to make 2,100 first after getting the account. Then anything that you make can be taken out. Minimum 250 and max 1K. You can copy trade 5 of them. That's a different one. Okay. So you need to make 2.1 before you can take out money, and then you can take out max 1K and then 250 every day after that. Okay. I get it. I mean, the daily payout is definitely a nice add-on that they have. Take a look at that later.
Bruh. I was going into my practice account and I was gonna execute the cells, bro.
Okay.
Just on the practice, just for the fun of it.
Okay.
But I accidentally pressed sell on the on the XFA, bro.
On which ones? All of them?
Yeah.
So you blew it, or like what happened?
No. Only one contract though. Because
Okay. Did you
I
get
wanted to
stopped?
see. No, not yet. But
You're
I
still
wanted
in?
to. Yeah, I wanted to see the how it turns out, you know, on the practice and all that. But bro, I accidentally just went in with all my accounts.
So you're still in right now?
Yeah, I'm in drawdown.
So what are you gonna do? Are you gonna close or break even, or?
Yeah, if we go back to break even, I'm gonna close it out.
I mean, didn't it just come down? It was down just
Yeah.
a bit ago. Did you just realize it now?
Yeah.
Damn.
I was just, alright, nice. And then I saw like the yellow in the upper left.
Mm-hmm.
So all my accounts is in these cells. I mean, yeah, if we re-break the low, we should see a push down, but damn.
Yeah, I mean, 4-hour definitely is looking like we can flip here and break the lows, but I'm gonna wait. I'll wait on that. Let me go get my food. I got some egg waiting for me.
Let's see what happens. I mean, shit happens.
Yeah.
It was a mistake.
I mean, that's happened to me before too.
Yeah.
I've like accidentally taken a trade on an XFA instead of a combine, and I've accidentally traded on the GC instead of the NYC.
I can't hear you, bro, but I mean, it's just one contract. It's 50 pip drawdown. It's nothing. We can make it back. Let's see if we push down. I mean, if we push down and break the low, I can just go break even and see what happens. And in that case, I'm not risking anything. But I mean, being stuck in a drawdown in a trade you wasn't even supposed to take, they accidentally just went into it. Crazy, bro.
Can you hear me better, or is it still?
Yeah.
Still low. It's because I'm in the kitchen right now.
So I'm about to get tapped out, bro. Let's see if we can push down to break even a little quick before we actually push up. Alright, Goldie, bleed. Don't break the high. Remove the stop loss. Janusz, let's go.
Janusz in the building. What did he say?
Bro, we can't hear you, bro. Your mic is too far away.
Oh.
Alright, one more pip and I'm out from this trade. Let's see. Just bleed, Goldie. Bleed. And it's with all my accounts too. I don't know why I didn't look well. Trading is, yeah, it's dangerous if you're not, you know, focused. Yeah, I'm out. Damn. That sucks. Anyway.
I'll be there in just a minute. I'm just getting the food ready and I'm there.
You're getting the food ready.
Yeah.
You gotta eat. A man gotta eat.
All right.
Yeah, so I basically took a huge hit on that one.
Janosch. Janosch. Welcome in, my brother. Let me show you guys something. This egg cooked funny because the shell broke, so it's like a little egg yolk at the bottom of it.
Nice.
Put some salt on them eggs.
Hey. Suck. Okay.
So I'm just gonna wait here. Gold. It's nothing yet for me. This 15-minute closure, I'm not gonna touch anything here because I don't like trading during this 15 closure. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait.
So we tapped me out by a pip, and now we're just covering. But it's fine. One trade and we get all of it back.
Yeah, no worries.
Look,
right
now we're
back
gonna come down and bleed. But it was like all 5 accounts though, so.
How's your account looking right now?
Nah, it's fine. I'm down 800 on all of them. So yeah, it's okay. It's not so bad, but that's combined with the loss we took earlier. I don't know why I didn't look a second time. But it's fine. We'll make it back. We'll make it back.
Maybe take one account and have it like by itself in case you make like a mistake, so you don't blow every XFA.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, because in that case you can still get a payout and buy more accounts. I still have some capital to keep building accounts, but let's see.
Yeah, we're coming up now. I like it.
Yeah. So this is why you have to wait for a top wick before executing.
Just gotta wait on it. I think closure above here would be the best for me to take the buys and continue up. And then the sells below now, we change that to down here. So the no trade range is getting bigger.
Yeah, we're just hovering around. It doesn't look good at all.
This is some good food right here.
Look at that, now we're coming down. Tapping me out and now we're coming down. How about that?
Yeah, but it wasn't like your setup anyway, so.
No. But it was a very bad situation. Very bad.
And this is what happens if you get in a trade that's not a part of your plan. It's like it can tap you out and you can go right back down, and you'll maybe feel some FOMO too because you have no strategy behind it.
Exactly. So that's the thing, and that's exactly why I was gonna take it on the practice just to play around a little bit, and then I accidentally pressed stop sell on all my XFAs. What a rookie mistake, bro. I'm glad I didn't go full margin though. Then all my accounts would have been lost.
Yeah.
Start over. Yeah, so a closure now like this would be great. Coming into 9 AM and all that, so a lot of volume is coming into the market soon, so we might see a good push. A good push.
Yeah, let's see how this 1 hour closes up too.
1
hour might close below.
Yeah. Yeah, as long as we close below, I don't know where you have your range, but my range is 68.4, I believe. So below the green cow, never mind.
What's up?
Yeah, look. Gold just bled, bro.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Let's see what happens.
I mean, if we do get this closure below, not looking bad, but I would like to see a steep top wick because that's the 1 hour candle closure too.
Yeah, exactly. So the 1 hour looking very good. Still come down to the range to the left, maybe. So how much do I need to make all of it back? 80 pips. 2 contracts, 40 pips. I'm not gonna revenge trade or try to get everything back. I'm just gonna take the trade and let it play out. Follow the plan, and that will eventually make the loss back. Maybe even put us in the green today. Yeah, let's see. We might just breathe, you know. Get a break out to the downside, and boom, 2,000 pips. That would be great.
But that's not what we aim for.
Nah.
We just want our targets to get topped, and that's it.
Yep.
Sweet time in the building.
Yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna build some Lego tonight.
Yep.
I still have my Venator, bro. Half done. It's half built. Chill on the couch, drink some hot chocolate or something. Look out the window, see the 60 centimeters of snow, and just be inside, cozy.
Relax,
Playing some Lego. Hanging out with my wife. Yeah, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. So let's see. 7 minutes for closure. I don't know what gold is looking to do right now. So we gained a few subscribers.
Yeah, we got some new people coming in, which is nice.
Yeah.
We got AB. I mean, he's been here before, but we had like yesterday we had a new guy, I think, and today we had Alf Stacks. Yeah.
Is he new?
I mean, I haven't seen him before.
Right. No, me neither. Maybe in Trading Rep stream. I don't remember. That was a long time ago now. It feels like a long time ago.
Months ago.
Months ago. 1 month, 2 months. I don't know. Mr. AB Mike, you know. Yeah.
Coming up now.
Yeah, I don't know about you. You might be looking for the buys above this whole range, but I'm looking to take potentially a buy above what is it, 75? So this nearest resistance, if we close above, I'm down to execute on it. But a smaller contract, maybe take a wick fill, go break even, take some parcels, and aim for the skies, aim for the all-time high.
Yeah, I mean it looked good before. It also looks good now.
Yeah.
But not on the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks very bad. If the 1 hour can close above,
yeah,
that'll be nice. But
I forgot about the 1 hour.
For me, I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah.
I'm fine not being in this one. I'll rather take a higher probability for me here today.
Yeah, maybe 9:30 closer above, and we can just use, bro.
Yeah, here's the thing, right? Is there could be two outcomes that could happen, right? That is, we get this closure above now, and we juice. Or we wait for 9:30 and we get a closure above the range and then we make the move, right? And which one would you rather be in? For me, I would rather be in the second one, so that's what I'm gonna wait for.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
Get some water.
There's so much up and down and up and down. No clear direction, no nothing. It's just a waiting game today.
All right. We got 3 minutes for this candle to close. Cyper, have you ever tried kimchi?
No, I don't think so.
It's really good. It's like, you like fermented food?
I don't know.
You've never tried anything?
What's that?
Like, kimchi is like cabbage that's fermented for like months in different spices and sauces that make it, you know, not expire.
Yeah, so I haven't really tried anything like that yet. I want to try. Put it down in some good sauce and let it sit for a few weeks. Yeah, I want to try that.
It's like for kimchi, I know it's like you have salt and you have, I think, vinegar and some chili stuff and other stuff like that. But it's really good for the gut. I know that. So like if you don't want to be bloated and stuff like that, it's good for your stomach health.
Yeah, so up here we only eat like meatballs and pasta every day, so I know how it is.
Yeah, when I was in Sweden, I was at like a Scandic hotel, and they had like the breakfast brunch, and they had meatballs. I ate a lot of those.
Yeah, it's great. It's like ground beef made into balls.
For real?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Ground beef made into balls, and then you just cook it with some.
Do you make them small, medium, big? Like
yeah, you can make them however you want.
How do you prefer?
I mean, I buy already done.
Oh, you buy them made?
Yeah, so
you don't make them homemade?
No, if I do them at home, I like to do them a little bit bigger, because then it feels like, you know, more like a steak, you know.
That big, like a steak size? A medium rare meatball.
Yeah, so
this is a bad closure for anyone looking to trade in this range. I'm gonna wait.
So the 1 hour is looking bad, the 30 is looking very bad, and the 15 is looking very, very bad.
And you know what happens when everything's looking bad? You wait.
Yeah, when everything is looking bad, you can just go full margin and it's going to pump anyways.
Yeah, go full margin buys. When in doubt, full margin buy.
Yeah, but this makes it so much better, because now pretty much everyone with a brain knows you don't touch this. So just wait for a breakout above or maybe a closure below. We should be good. And a breakout above at 9:30 would be very great. Very good. Look at left, we have some clean range. If we look at the 4 hour, we can push up a little bit. Gold might just want to push to all-time highs again. I mean, if we look at the 4 hour, every time we came down, like very far, and then we just start pumping up like this on the 4 hour. We just broke all-time highs a few days later anyway, so I think 100% we can just pump up.
IQ Heaven, welcome to the stream. If you got any questions, let us know. We're here to help. And
that also a new one.
I think it's a new guy too.
Let's go, welcome.
Nice. I accidentally refreshed the page. Okay, so yeah. I think it's just waiting time here, and I agree, Cypher. I think like gold is looking like we're about to go for all-time highs. Like the daily, it's, you know, moving in that direction. We got the closures above 1 hour. I mean, I'm just waiting for this closure because I have a, you know what I mean, like I have a feeling this 4 hour is not gonna come down and flip. We have 1 hour left and we're pushing up. I have a feeling that this bearish candle was just a tiny pullback, and now we're gonna create this support to continue up. So if we can get a break above and then closure above, but not break these wicks up here, that would be beautiful, because then we could break these wicks and then we would get a big push.
Yeah, exactly. Go break even at the wicks, take some partials, and then leave a runner for pretty much forever. So yeah, when you look left on the 30, it doesn't look as clean as on the 4 hour, but I mean, basically we are pushing to all-time highs every other week now, so I don't even care to look so much at this shop to the left. We're just pushing.
The grand, yeah, like if you take a L on something and you don't see anything after that, just stay out, watch the charts. It's always good to just watch the charts. If you have a red day, it's, you know, whatever, because you already know that most likely this week is going to be green, and if not, the month is going to be green, you know. So just follow the plan and you already know what's going to happen. Yeah, locked out for the day. Let's go. Now you can just watch and observe and learn, which is something that's very hard for traders to do.
What did you take, Legrand? Did you take a sell or a buy?
I think he might have taken the sells. I don't know.
The sell, the onion sell.
The one we were looking for.
The one that I accidentally executed all my accounts on.
But that's the thing, like, you know what I mean? A lot of people, after they take a red day, like I have sometimes struggled with this. It's like I would take a red day and I just can't accept that. And then I would just go crazy and then blow the account. So, you know, that's another thing with trading, is that once you... Red days are a part of the plan too. You know what I mean? Not every day is going to be green. And once those red days come, you have to be prepared to not let emotions get the better of you.
Yeah. You never know. The next day can be the biggest green day of your life.
Yeah, like maybe tomorrow Legrand is going to win 3 times what he just lost. So
yeah, exactly.
It's all about following the plan.
Follow the plan. Follow the playbook. Don't even flinch. Because this year we go into Asia, brother.
The Asia trip.
Maybe.
Maybe for you. I'm guaranteed going. So I'm going to be going during the end of the year this year. Yeah. I'm going to be going like the last half of the year.
Yeah. Yeah, as I said yesterday, maybe we can start with Greece after after CPI or something.
Well, let's see.
Kick down Alex's door.
Tell them, give us the key to the mansion.
Yeah, so that's why he doesn't join us until tomorrow, because he still didn't stop smoking. So he doesn't want to tell us yet.
I think he quit, but let's see.
Yeah, I hope so, bro. I'm so happy if he did. It's so much better to not smoke, bro. When I quit, bruh, I can actually breathe now. I don't smell like ash everywhere now. So if you take a shower and then take some perfume or something, and then you go out and have a cigarette, you don't smell like you just got out of the shower anymore.
Plus, it's also expensive. I
Yeah,
mean, to buy every day.
yeah. I don't know how expensive it is in Greece. It is in Greece, but in Sweden now, every pack costs like 10 euros. So, and if you smoke like 2 packs every day, that's like 20. Yeah, like 20 USD every day, pretty much. Depends how much you smoke. That's just gonna ruin you, bro.
Yeah. But let's see here. We're creeping up to this resistance. We're still trying to attempt to come above. I think if we get a closure above the 15, I'm down to take it. If not, I'll wait for the 30. I think two things can happen here that I would be okay with to take the trade. I'll draw it out real quick. So the one is that we close bearish on the 15, right? So the 15 closes bearish. And then the next 15 candle closes above, making the 30-minute also close above. Right? And then entering there from 9:30. Which would be probably the best thing we could see here, if that happens. If not, if this 15 closes above now, it's gonna be nice. Or we'll have to wait for the 30-minute close above. Yeah. But the best for me would be bearish 15 closure, and then the next one closing above with the 30-minute.
Yeah.
We're gonna close above now.
Yeah, if we close above now, I'm gonna take it small risk. If we close above on the 30, I'm gonna go pretty much full risk, bro. And full risk is like, like 2 contracts, so it's not that much, but I don't know. How much can you take? I think it's just 2 contracts in the beginning, right?
Yeah, on the XFA, the 50K.
Yeah, it's 2 contracts. Yeah,
2 contracts until you hit 1K, then you can do 3.
Yeah, and then 2K you can take like 5. So yeah, that's gonna be for
CPI
for next week. Yeah, exactly.
If you know, you know. We're gonna do some CPI trading, everyone who's here. So if you guys want to pull up for CPI day next week, we'll be live streaming that.
Yeah.
Do a little bit of news trading too.
It's gonna be a hell of a roller coaster.
Yeah. So right now I'm gonna try and get this 150K up to maybe 4.5K to be able to take a payout on CPI day and then full margin that account. That'll be the goal. Alright, 5 minutes. We can potentially get this set up here. Go a little bit left just to see what we're going to be targeting. So we have some resistances here. So it's not some resistances. I mean, this up here is going to be where our price starts to get even cleaner. So what I'll do is I'll have this line here as my break even. This one. if you get these closures.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking at also. A break even. Ah, break even up there, bro. Yeah. Alright. I might have my break even at this, this nearest Wickfield, bro. What?
Yeah, I was like, this is like 100 pip break even.
Yeah,
The
what?
Wakefield. There you go.
That's crazy. I mean, nah, you do that, bro. But I was thinking. I mean, only this Wickfield.
Yeah, I know the
is
ranges.
like
The ranges
35
in
pips.
this right here would be the break even. Yeah,
Yeah.
I forgot the ranges were massive, so I thought this was like 50 pips away. It was like
Yeah.
100. So this break even point is way better. So yeah, let's see.
Yeah, I was getting worried, bro. I was thinking, what? So, nah, but it's fine. I mean, 88, looking good for a yeah, 88. It looks good for a break even. Also, that's like 50 pips, but I mean, break even. For me, I'm gonna go break even a little bit early, and then partials might be up at where your previous break even was.
Yeah. Let's see, 2 minutes here. If we don't close above, we'll wait for 9:30. If we get this closure above here, I'm willing to take the trade, but I will need a bottom wick. And a decent one too, not like just a little sloppy bottom wick.
Yeah, now we need a real bottom wick. A real bottom wick. Let's see. Give me a minute. I'm gonna look. I think my neighbor is outside on his APV. I don't know how you say it. APV.
ATV.
ATV.
The four-wheeler.
Yeah, exactly. So he's shoveling snow.
It has like a shovel in the front.
Yeah, exactly. So he's shoveling the snow on my driveway. What a nice neighbor, bro. What a nice neighbor.
Shoveling it onto your driveway.
He's plowing. He's plowing. Is that how you say it? Plowing.
Yeah, plowing.
Yeah, he's plowing my driveway so I can come out, which is nice.
I thought you said he was shoveling the snow onto your driveway.
No, if he was doing that, I would go out with my gun and fucking threaten him. But nah, he's a nice guy. So yeah, I might have to buy him a 6-pack of beers, bro. So we got a closure above now.
Yeah, but no bottom wick. Let's see. If we just move up, then nothing we can do. Then we gotta wait for the 30.
I don't know about the break-even point right now. It's like 18 pips only.
18 pips, that's it?
Yeah, that's it. It became very small.
For me, it's like 30 pips. I have it more above. I have it
okay.
I have it at this resistance here.
Mm.
So that's where my break-even is gonna be.
Yeah, makes sense.
If not, I'll wait for this 30-minute. The 30-minute is gonna be cleaner as well. And that's gonna be where we're gonna have the most amount of volume as well, so.
Yeah, we keep breaking highs, so just wait for the 30. But maybe even be, tapping into the 4-hour top wicks and then re-break of all these top wicks might be a great entry for a buy. But
Let's see
now
here.
we are coming
We're in
down
this
to the
bottom,
bottom.
yeah.
Yeah. So.
We didn't push up too much too. I want to see a little bit more come down here, and then I'll have my buy stops. Let's see. The pip, around 40 pip stops. Yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops here. I like it.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
We'll take this on a combine.
Buy one.
So the combine, how I do it is I just go full risk, so 5 GCs, and then I just aim for 31 pips.
So I can't take 2 contracts on this one because then then I can't use the drawdown because then I'm gonna blow my account. So I put away 1 account just in case, so I can build that one up, take a payout, and then start over. But yeah, best case scenario, we just push up and lie.
Let's see. Can we get this move up here?
Also, we might be, let's see, if we break the 4-hour highs, we see a pusher.
Yeah, that's also like another thing. If we break the previous 4-hour high, it's gonna be pretty nice.
Yeah, if we don't push right away, that's why I want to go break even at the 4-hour break, because if we break the 4-hour high and just reject, bro, I don't want to be in this trade anymore. So
yeah.
So I'm gonna go break even at the break of the 4-hour high.
And if we don't break these highs here, that's all good. I think if we get this big, which like for sells as well, because I'm still like I'm down to take these sells as well. If we close bearish like this with this rejection wick, it isn't bad for sells either. So I'm down to take these both. Right now we got the closure above, so I'm gonna execute on these buys, but if we don't break these highs here and end up closing bearish on the 30 for 930, I'm taking those sells as well.
Yeah, sells for 930. I mean 930 you can pretty much do anything, because now, as I said at the beginning of the stream, let's see how we react to the 4-hour highs, the top wicks, and now we have filled wicks. We never broke the highs, so now might be the time to calm down for a bottom wick on the 4-hour. And being overextended, I saw a question in the comments. Yeah, I don't know, Ed, what are you thinking about being overextended?
I mean, I don't think it looks overextended on the 30-minute. Like, we got this move up, we got a pullback. I believe we could continue to move up. That's the whole reason why I had these buy stops here. But I can see maybe on the 15 how you might see it as a little bit overextended. But for me, overextended looks more something like this. If we look at the 4-hour, like if you see something like that, that's more like overextended.
Yeah, look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is very overextended though. So
yeah, 1 hour is overextended here. That's the downside. Also 1 hour closed below. So that's why the 30-minute sells are not looking bad either. And since we're coming down breaking these lows, I'm gonna delete the buy stops too now.
Yeah, I'm gonna delete also.
So
we have a fresh support on the 30, and I mean, based on the pips, yeah, it might be overextended, but based on like price action and how the candles are looking, I don't think it's overextended on the 30. But then, I mean, we didn't have a 30 breakout, so we have to base this one on the 15. So 15 might be a little bit overextended, but yeah, I mean, we're very bullish right now anyway, so.
Well, let's now wait here, because stops are getting big, and I'll now wait for this 30-minute candle closure. So
Yeah.
we get this rejection with closure. I'm liking the sales. If we close above on the 30-minute, I'm re-adding the buys.
Yeah, same.
And if we close bullish below the resistance, then there's nothing. Or if we close too far down. So let's see.
Yeah, so if we close pretty much exactly like this, maybe a little bit more down, because in that case we're below the resistance, the supports and resistance and all that. So a little bit below 75 point, yeah, 75 would be nice. And then we can also aim for the 1 hour wick to the downside.
And then
Maybe
we can take
the
a
whole range.
beautiful 930 trade.
Yeah. 930 shouldn't have a problem to push us down through this whole range.
Yeah, 6 minutes left, so wait on this now. Let's see how we close up. It might be a no trade day too, so let's see.
Yeah, you can speak for yourself, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be a no trade day for me.
Yeah, I wish I did. I wish I had a no trade day. But I mean, technically, I have a no trade day. Because that execution, that little fuck up execution I did, I can't even journal that, because that was a big mistake. That was just me pressing the wrong bottoms too much.
I'll be more. Hopefully, this will teach you a lesson, you know? To be more aware. Because it's happened to me before and then never happened again.
Yeah, it's happened to me before also, but yeah, this time was just, I don't know, bro. I haven't had these many accounts, so I had to, you know, I pressed the wrong one. Maybe I didn't even press. I don't know.
It's all good. But now you know in the future to make sure that it says practice account.
Yeah.
And not XFA.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. I mean, I would be more happy if I executed the best trade ever and it was a practice than execute a practice trade on an XFA. So I wouldn't be happier before. Nah, it's a weird situation. We just gotta let it go, bro. We can't.
Imagine you take a trade and it runs 1,000 pips and then it's on a practice account and you didn't notice.
Yeah, that happened like 1 year ago. I went in like full margin. I think I had like $200 left on my XFA, and I went in like full margin and it blasted out like 1,000 pips into all-time highs and everything. And I was gonna hold that trade just because I had so little left on the account. And then I saw fucking blue takes to practice. I was like, nah, bro, nah. I was up like 6K or something. And then the second trade I took after that, I blew the account, of course. So yeah, shit happens when you're trading sometimes. I mean, it happens to the best of us. Everybody makes mistakes.
Let's see, 4 minutes left. You might get this 30-minute resistance to sell back down. You see the 15-minute.
Yeah, I agree with Mr. Stacks. 15 overextended, pre-30 closed with no top wick, 1 hour closed below. Seems like, yeah, exactly. So you gotta be very, you know,
Very
you gotta
cautious.
think. Yeah, exactly. So very low risk, go break even very fast. Now we're tapping into like the not the all-time highs, but the new highs. So it would make sense, kinda, not based on the overextended parts of the trades and all that, but if we break the highs during like between 9 and 9:30, it's a very good chance that we just push, bro. So, but now we didn't execute on it. We came down so far, so no, it's fine. We dodged that bullet. Yeah, the grand, it happens to everybody. Everybody makes mistakes. We can all agree on that one. So 2 minutes left. How we doing? How we doing? Otherwise, we can just wait for 9:45 to play out. Maybe 9:45. If we don't get this strong bearish closure or closure above, we can just wait for 9:45 to maybe close above. That would be nice too.
I like these sales if we close like this. Like for me, I like it. As long as we close bearish, as long as it's not doji.
Yeah.
I like it. Like if it closes like this, then I don't like it.
Yeah, exactly. So it gotta make sense. It gotta be a strong bearish closure. Otherwise, I'm gonna wait for a 15 closure above.
1 hour rejected. 30-minute rejected. 4 hour. I mean, at this point, I don't think we're gonna come down here, but we might pull back a bit. That's the only thing I can see.
Yeah. So the thing is, now we're creeping into the last 30 minutes before a 4 hour closure. If 4 hour closes like this, we are closing above like a breakout on the 4 hour, and that looks good to keep going up. But yeah. So I would wait a little bit longer if we close above on the 4 hour. I would wait for like, yeah, maybe 30 minutes up to an hour after the 4 hour closure to see a potential breakout to the upside. But 9:30 might just push this 4 hour down to remain bearish.
Yeah, potentially. I like the sells here.
Yeah, me too.
Exposure.
I mean, yeah, we have some resistance and support and all that to the left right now. We are not closing below anything really, except for the fact that we are closing kinda on huge reaction wick from the upside and 9:30. Yeah, let's see what happens. At 10 more minutes. 10 more seconds.
8 seconds.
Not minutes, bro. Let's see.
Alright. Let's see if we can get a top wick here. I like it. Yeah.
Top sell 1. I mean, it's not the best closure, but I still like it.
Let's see. Alright, we got volume here. We can definitely see that. I like the rejection here. Let's see how big are the stops. Stops are around 50 pips. Perfect for now, at least.
Yeah, if
we break previous lows, I believe we can come down. If we do not break previous lows and close above, then buys are looking valid again. So it's all about what gold wants to do here.
Yeah, so now if we flip down, we should see a pusher down, bro.
Yeah. I'm gonna adjust the risk here on my XFA. Stops getting big, so I'm just gonna do 1 GC. And if we break the previous highs, I'm gonna delete.
Yeah. Ups are getting very, very big.
Look at that volume though, coming in.
Yeah, if we break the low now, we should see a bleeder.
600. Any news? Alright. In the first 2 minutes, gold moved like crazy already. This is the 930 volume we talk about. Like 80 pips in 2 minutes.
Let's see.
And broke the highs, so delete that and
Alright.
gotta wait.
Yeah, now let's
A lot
see.
of deleting today.
Yeah. So if 15 can close above now, I'm happily taking the buys.
This is the last opportunity. No, this is not the last opportunity. But I like the 15 closure above. If not, the 30-minute. If we close above on the 30-minute, it's also going to be nice. But then you got to wait a bit because you want the 4-hour to create a bottom wick.
Yeah, exactly. So I would say this next 15 closure is the last opportunity for this 4-hour candle. Otherwise we gotta wait for like the first 15 minutes to play out of the next 4-hour candle, and then maybe what is it, like 10:30 we can take a buy. Yeah, now we're breaking the highs.
Yeah,
and
we're gonna be gone here.
Yeah, so we have like 12 minutes left.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Whoa, what the hell? Nightbot deleted a message from Yanush. What the hell?
What?
Nightbot deleted a message for some reason. Yanush just put a W's.
What?
I don't know. Nightbot is tweaking.
Hey, I'ma remove Nightbot, bro.
Bad Nightbot. What the hell?
Yeah.
Stop spamming caps. It said. What the hell? Can I?
Why is Nightbot deleting messages?
Shut up, Clanker. How do I stop Nightbot from doing that? Remove as standard moderator. There you go. Try and type now. Nightbot has been removed as a moderator.
Yeah, fuck Nightbot, bro. We can't do that to Janusz, bro.
If Nightbot bans people for spamming W's, that's messed up.
Yeah, that's some nah, I'm not gonna say it on stream.
And gold is on the way to the moon.
Yeah, as I said, bro, what?
Yeah. I mean, there we go.
Yeah, I mean, we still have a very
For me, it's too much up now, so
we have to.
even if you pull back here,
What?
I gotta wait for at least like an hour or so.
So you want to see a pullback in some fresh support and all that?
Mm.
Yeah.
So at this point, I just want to see gold pump and then pull back later on. But it's getting late for me.
Yeah, maybe pump for the rest of the day, and then we see some all-time highs for tomorrow.
Let's see. But yeah, that was the move we were looking for on the 15. We didn't get that closure on the 30.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at that. 80 pips from our entry there. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for NY session. Thank you everyone for pulling up. And remember, CPI next week, boys. CPI day.
Let's go. Peace, Grander.
Let's get it. Let's put on the outro.